a common question that a lot of people have is, okay, so you have Sharetribe Go and then you have Sharetribe Flex. So what's the kind of the basic, maybe the delineation between the two that you would, maybe let's just use for like an Airbnb, Airbnb for X, say for instance, like Studio Time It. What is the kind of some of the key points that would warrant me to want to look at Sharetribe Flex versus Go?
Yeah, I think that your story is a really good example. You started originally with Sharetribe Go, and then you grew quite fast into like relatively big business. Like at some point, you were really like doing lots of revenue, and then your users really started demanding from you that, okay, so I really need this specific workflow, and you just noticed that to scale your business, you really need to add certain things, and those features that weren't there at the time in Sharetribe Go. So basically, you were able to validate the business, you were able to grow to a certain scale, but then basically you had like this long list of features, and we realized that, okay, some of those are really unique to your concept. So these are not needed if you're not building like a platform for music studios. So then we just, instead of just trying to always add all those features, because basically the same story was for all our other customers. So basically they were able to do 80%, 90% what they thought, and then the remaining 10%, we just needed to give them tools to build that by themselves. And that really was then like why like you then moved to Flex. So that really allowed you to build the custom visuals. It allowed you to build like a really custom workflow, some really studio specific things there in the workflow, and allow to scale your business to the next level.